Welcome back students. Let us continue the lesson formatting a document. In today's session we will see how to apply bold, italic and underline effects for the text. Okay, bold, italic and underline effects. So first of all, let us open Microsoft Word. Click on Start. Click on All Programs. Click on Microsoft Office. Click on Microsoft Word 2010. So this is the window of Microsoft Word. So first of all we will see what happens when we apply this bold, italic and underline. So when we apply this bold, italic and underline, we can emphasize the text and we can catch the reader's attention. The person who is reading, you can catch the attention of that reader, and if you want to highlight any parts, you can make it bold or you can underline only those sentences or only those words. So whenever you want to highlight any particular sentences, particular words in a notes or in a paragraph, in that case, so this option will be very useful. So first of all, let me type only some bold, invention, italic. Just I am typing. I have not applied any effects for this. Okay. Invention spelling has gone wrong. Invention. Underline. So first of all we will see. So when we apply the bold effect, this bold face makes the selected word darker than the rest of the text. Okay, so first of all let me increase the size. Can increase. So in the last session we have seen how to increase the font size. Okay, we'll increase the zoom. So select the text and click on bold option. So on the home tab, font group, bold option is given. Just click on bold. So when we select this bold, so this text is darker than this rest of the text. You can see here. So this text is darker than these two lines because bold effect is applied for this text. Okay, so here bold option is given on a font tab. You can use Ctrl B button to make it bold. Shortcut key to make a bold is Ctrl B. So next is italic effect. So when you want to make or when you want to give a italic in the sense slanting it to the right side, so text gets a slant or it gets bend, you can say. Okay, this text, if you want to make a slanting text, select the text, then on a home tab, font group, here I means italic, just click on you can see here text is slanted towards right side, so this is italic effect. Okay. Next is underline. So whenever you want to highlight any sentences, any words, then you can give underline for that text. Okay, so you can place the underline below that words or below that sentences. You can underline particular word or you can underline particular sentences, and you can underline with the spaces. For example, here there is a space, so this space also gets underlined. Okay, just select the text, then click on underline button on the home tab of font group. Okay, just click on underline button. So when you click on underline, you will get the underline of the for that selected text, and you can observe here, you can see here, including spaces, this we have got the underline. Okay, so including space. Now if you want to underline with the different styles like zigzag line or double underline, so in that case Word has given a feature. See, on a home tab, font group, you can see next to the underline option they are given one down arrow mark. Just click on that down arrow mark and you choose the desired style. See here, if I take the mouse pointer on the second option, double underline will be applied, then again single underline, then here dotted underline. If you want a dotted underline for this text, you can put that dotted underline. If you want to put a dashed underline, so dashed underline can be placed below the words, then dot and dash. okay, dot dash underline, then dot dash, okay, dot dash can be given, then zigzag, or wave underline, we can put it like this. So let us set this. So now see, so this word is underlined, dot dash. Now if you want to give a different color for this underline, then again go to that same option by clicking on that arrow button and go to underline color. Now I want to highlight that underline with red color, so select red color, so it will be highlighted with red color. You can highlight that particular sentences, particular words by using these three features: bold, italic and underline. If you open font dialog box launcher, so this is a font and this icon is called as a font dialog box launcher. So in a font dialog box launcher also you have that options: regular, bold, italic and bold italic. You can see it. You can observe the preview here. You can see the preview here, what happens when we choose the particular style, and here size is given. According to that size, text preview gets display in this box, and underline styles are given here. Let's see, double wavy lines are given, dark wavy line is given. Okay, so different types of wavy lines are given. You can apply it, and if you want to change color for that underline, you can set a color. So that all the options are given in font dialog box also. So how to open this font dialog box? See once again, in the home tab, font group, look at my mouse pointer where I am moving. So this icon or this point, it is dialog box launcher. Here also we have. So this is this when we click on this icon, paragraph dialog box gets launched. Okay, if I click here, font dialog box gets launched. If I click here, clipboard dialog box gets launched. Let me open font by clicking on this icon. Then we can adjust. So as per our need, as per our requirement, we can set the settings in this document. Okay, I hope you have understood this point, how to use bold, italic and underline. The same options can be done by using shortcut key. Okay, so let us remove this all the effect. Then here no underline, we don't want any underline. Okay, so now this is the text. So this is simple text. Now I am going to open a keyboard. Okay, so this is the keyboard. Now by using this keyboard, for this text I want to make it bold. So for what to press Ctrl button and press B, Ctrl B, it becomes bold. Okay, so when you press Ctrl B, text becomes bold. Next I want to make this text as italic text. Then select the text, press Ctrl and I. See, this text is slanted. So this text is darker than the rest of the text, so that's why it is bold, and it is slanted. Okay, that's why it is italic. The next I want to underline this. Press Ctrl button and U. So when you press Ctrl U, by default you will get a single underline. But if you want a double underline, then press Ctrl Shift D. When you press Ctrl Shift D, you will get double underline. Okay, so when you press Ctrl U, you will get single underline. When you press Ctrl Shift D, you will get double underline. And if you want that dashed underline, wavy underline, in that case you have to go to that options only to set that underlines. Okay, so already it is shown in this video itself. Okay, so when you click on this arrow button, here you have different styles of underlines. You can choose it. Okay, so now how underline can be given by using the shortcut, so that I am showing. Okay, so just press Ctrl U button to underline the text with the space, Ctrl I button to make that text italic, and press Ctrl B button to make the text bold. Okay, you can make bold, italic and underline. I hope you have understood this point, how to make the text bold, how to make the text italic and how to make the text underline. Thank you for watching.